Dear student, now we will learn about the how to compare different countries. First is per capita income. पहले आप समझ आए per capita income होता क्या है. Per capita income और average income name is same. It is measures the average income earned by person in a given area in a specified year. It is calculated by dividing area's total income by total population. Per capita income is national income divided by population size. So I think it is very much clear. If you want to have a per capita income or average income of a nation or a country or a particular area, then total income of that population or that area should be divided by the total population living in that area. You will get the per capita income. This comes in 1 mark question and board sometimes. कभी कभी डेफिनेशन पूछ लेते हैं, कभी कभी फार्मूला पूछ लेते हैं, तो आपको क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. पर कैपिटा इनकम इज द एवरेज इनकम विच इज सपोज टू बी अर्न बाय ईच एंड एवरी वन इन द कंट्री और ईच एंड एवरी वन इन द पर्टिकुलर एरिया लिविंग इन अ फाइनेंशियल ईयर. मीन्स एक साल के अंतर्गत का ये अपना डाटा होता है. नाउ विल स्टडी हाउ टू कंपेयर डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. फॉर मेजरिंग कंट्रीज देयर इनकम इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स. So it is clear, if you want to compare any two or more than two countries, their income will be considered for comparing. Now, how method of measuring national development. How you will measure the national income of a country? It refers to the market value of all goods and services which produced in financial year within the country. Per capita income is clear, then it will be very much clear for you. What is national income? National income refers to the market value of the goods and services produced in financial year within a country. Whatever the goods and services are produced in a country during a financial year, means 1 year, the market value of that good and services. Clear, student? Market value of all the goods and services which is produced by that country in one financial year, that will be the national income of that country. Till now, if it is clear, then it means you are knowing the main fund of economics. ये दो चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो कि अक्सर पेपर में पूछा जाता है एक एक नंबर में, तो मैंने अलग अलग आपको समझा दिया. तो कभी कभी डेफिनेशन पूछ लेते हैं, कभी कभी घुमा के पूछ लेते हैं, कभी कभी फार्मूला पूछ लेते हैं. So now I think that I am very much clear to you and you have understood what is average income definition, what is formula of average income, and what is the national income. So if it comes in examination, I think you can write it. Thank you.